Everyone, welcome to another Windows 10 video. In this video we're going to be looking at installing the Windows subsystem for Linux. Now there is a few one or two steps you need to do. So the first step is to basically enable the feature from within PowerShell. It's an optional Windows feature. So if you right click on the start menu, you launch PowerShell Elevated, and then you can basically paste in the command enable-windows optional feature -online -feature name Microsoft Windows Subsystem for Linux, and press enter. It will then basically go and run its command, and while we wait for that to happen, we can talk about the different versions or options that you can download. So this wants me to reboot. I'm not going to reboot right now. Basically, you can download Ubuntu, OpenSUSE, SUSE Linux Enterprise Server, Debian, and Kali Linux. Now, Kali is the one that I want to be installing. So if you head over to the Microsoft Store and you type in Kali, you'll see that it'll come up, and this will then basically allow you to install it. And what it says, the Kali for Windows application allows one to install and run the Kali Linux open source penetration testing distribution natively from the Windows 10 OS. Now in the next video we'll look at actually launching this and getting it to work, etc. But that is pretty much how straightforward it is to now run the Windows subsystem for Linux within Windows 10. Thank you very much for watching.